want to take this opportunity to recognize the men and women across Southern Company that keep up with this fleet, keep it rolling, keep it safe for our customers. Here at Mississippi, we've got 17 employees. They maintain 700 units. Those units travel somewhere around 5 million miles a year and keep our folks out there keeping our customers' lights on.
We do services and extra maintenance all the time on these units to keep them reliable, dependable, ready to go when the guys need them. You never know when they're going to get a call out middle of the night and they need a truck they can depend on.
We do our best at trying to keep everything to a high level. We try to keep everything on a big standard so they can last as long as we got to keep them. Big trucks are 14 years and the smaller ones are 11 and 12 sometimes, so we got to stay on top of it. They use these trucks a good bit.
You know, when you service a bucket truck and you're on an aerial device like we are all the time, safety becomes an important factor for us, just like the linemen. Of course, we're not around electricity, but we're climbing up and down the truck all day. We're in the bucket, we're laying down in the bed of the truck, checking bolts and maintaining things in the turntable and turret. So safety is probably a unique part about working on a bucket truck.
It is also a little different than working on a truck chassis because of the safety factor. You got a man in the bucket working on hot work. You want to make sure everything works like it's supposed to so the machine doesn't malfunction if possible, and we don't want the guys to get hurt.